Okay, so the thing that you're missing is the unit rate. What is a unit rate? A unit rate is when you grab two units, two different units, and you compare. Now, these two units can be anything. It doesn't all, you don't only use it in chemistry, you use it in math, you use it in physics, you use it also in chemistry, you use it in many things. Okay, you maybe even use it in real life. The unit rate is you grab two units and you compare them. For example, you can use this, like I said, in math. You can say, well, 1 kilogram is equals to 1,000 grams. Yeah, 1,000 grams. You can say, I don't know, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. You can say 1 day is equals to 24 hours. You can say 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. You can use whatever. You can use any type of units. In this case, the units that you want to use is obviously none of these. The units that you want to use for chemistry is moles and grams. And the relationship that you need to know is that 1 mole of element X, this X being any element, oxygen, hydrogen, I don't know, nitrogen, potassium, whatever, is equals to the mass of that element. Okay? Is equals to the mass of that element. So 1 mole of the compound KNO2 is going to be equals to the total mass of KNO2. So mass of KNO2. Now, how do you calculate the mass of KNO2? Well, you use this right here, which is found in the periodic table. And you say mass of KNO2 is going to be equals to, what's K? K is 39. What's N? N is 14. And what's O? O is 16. So because you have two of those, you multiply times 2. So this will give you 85. 85 grams. So that means that 1 mole of KNO2 is equals to 85 grams of KNO2. That is the relationship that you want to use. That's the relationship that we're going to use. Oops. That's the relationship that you're going to use in order to do all the math. Okay. So what is it that you want? What's it that you're given? You're given 6 grams of KNO2. First of all, you don't want grams, you want moles. So let's convert these grams to moles. So you multiply by a fraction, and that fraction is going to be this unit rate right here. Okay. So you put here, you put on the bottom what you want to get rid of. And on the top, you put what you want. Now, what you want to get rid of? You want to get rid of grams of KNO2. And you want mole of KNO2. What is the relationship between those two? You know that 1 mole is equals to 85. Right? That's the relationship that we got here. When you do this, these grams of KNO2 cancel with these grams of KNO2. You always cancel it in diagonal. Okay, you always cancel it in diagonal. And you get only moles of KNO2, but you don't want moles of KNO2. You want moles of KNO3. So what's the other unit rate? What's the other relationship? You do the same. You put what you want to get rid of. You put it on the bottom. Okay, what you want to get rid of, you put it on the bottom. So what you want to get rid of? You want to get rid of the moles of KNO2. And what do you want? You want moles of KNO3. Okay, that's what you want, moles of KNO3. You don't want moles of KNO2. Now, what is the relationship between moles of KNO2 and moles of KNO3? You find it right here. 2 moles of KNO2 are going to be produced with 2 moles of KNO3. So 2 moles of KNO2 are going to be produced with 2 moles of KNO3. And again, you cancel out like this in diagonal. And now you're left with moles of KNO3. So this will give you moles of KNO3, right? And then you just do the math. You grab these 6. Let me use another color. Let me use this right here. So 6 times 1 times 2 on the bottom, on the top, 6 times 1 times 2. And on the top, you put the numbers on the top, and on the bottom, you put the numbers on the bottom. 85 times 2. So 85 times 2. Right, and then you just do the math. These 2 with these 2 will cancel out. 6 times 1 is just 6. And 6 divided by 85, 6 divided by 85, that's equals to 0.07. 0.07 moles of what? Moles of KNO3. And that's your answer. Okay, that's how you do it.